Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all 5 to intermittent fasting diet plan which can help you lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. So what exactly is 5 to intermittent fasting diet plan? For 5 days you eat your low calorie normal food and then for the 2 days you attempt fasting. For example, Monday to Wednesday you attempt your low calorie normal food diet plan. Thursday you're on your fasting diet plan. Friday and Saturday we attempt again our normal low calorie diet plan. And Sunday it's yet again a fasting diet for us. This diet plan can very easily help you lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks super effectively, and hence you should definitely give it a try. It's very easy to attempt and at the same time very effective for weight loss. Recently my lots of clients followed this diet pattern for weight loss and they were able to see great weight loss happening, and so can you. For personalized diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with 5 to intermittent fasting diet plan. So let's first discuss our normal low calorie 5-day plan. Early in the morning, empty stomach, we'll start our day with either aloe vera juice or amla juice. Very important for your immune system and at the same time boosts the metabolism very quickly. Aloe vera juice can greatly help you with the constipation issue, and you'll see a tremendous difference in your skin as well if you consume aloe vera juice. Amla juice on the other hand, it's rich in vitamin C and great for your skin benefits as well, along with detoxification properties. So you can have either amla juice or aloe vera juice. Now let's proceed towards our breakfast options. For this, I'll be giving you 2 options. The first one is for all the vegetarians out there. If you can have eggs, then you should definitely consume eggs for your breakfast. For this, we'll be adding 2 boiled eggs scrambled. Along with that, you can add lots and lots of veggies to it. Any seasonal vegetable like mushrooms, onion, capsicum. Avocado can also be added to this. Healthy fats definitely in. Prepare it with 2 egg whites and you can have tea or coffee along with it, but make sure to add no sugar to any kind of tea or coffee. Second option is for all the vegetarians out there. You can have a veggie grill sandwich or you can have any of the sandwich recipes that I have on my YouTube channel up. And here are all the recipes of my healthy weight loss sandwiches. You can try any one sandwich for your breakfast. Along with that, you can have as usual tea or coffee as per your own preference, but make sure to consume no sugar to it at all. Third option is healthy almond milk with 1 apple. Now this is for all the quick breakfast option lovers, and hence healthy almond milk boosts immunity, also great for your digestive system and also is anti-inflammatory in each and every manner. So you can have healthy almond milk along with 1 apple. Now let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack. For mid-morning snack, you can have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea, or you can even go for my detox matcha tea. 1 cup of this tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. Hence, the antioxidant level is super high in this drink, and at the same time, the belly fat loss is amazing with it. Link to buy is given in the description box below. You can go and check it out. Along with that, you can have 1 fruit of your own choice. Any seasonal fruit available, you can have it for your mid-morning snack. Proceeding towards our lunch option. Lunch, as usual, we'll keep low in calories, and you can try 2 to 3 besan chilas with curd or raita or chutney. Very low in carbs if you prepare it the way I prepare it, and here is the complete recipe of it. You can go and check it out. It's gluten-free in nature and at the same time very yummy as well. Second option is you can have curry or rajma or any kind of pulses, dals, along with 100 to 150 grams of cooked brown rice. Along with that, you can have curd and salad to make sure to get all the probiotics and fiber in. Along with rice, you can even have fish curry, chicken curry as per your own preference. Brown rice, the recipe is here. You can prepare it very easily. You can try this high fiber brown rice for weight loss, gluten-free in nature and at the same time organic as well. Prepares only in 15 minutes and tastes just like white rice. So you can check it out, and let's jump to our mid-evening snack. For that, you can have 1 cup of green tea or matcha tea or tea or coffee as per your own preference, but make sure to consume no sugar to it at all. Along with that, you can have some roasted makhanas or some roasted peanuts, but make sure to add no seasoning or salt to it at all. Proceeding towards our dinner option. For that, you can have 200 to 250 grams or ml of chicken soup or fish soup or egg soup as per your own preference, or you can have my tomato zucchini soup recipe as well. I have all veggie soup as well, and here is the complete recipe of it. You can check it out. It's yummy and at the same time very warming in nature as well. You will not feel hungry with this soup for at least 7 to 8 hours in the good sleep. Second option for dinner is apple oats smoothie. And here is the complete recipe of my apple oats smoothie. You will love having this, rich in protein, good carbs, calcium, protein for oats, and great detoxification benefits as well. If you have this drink for your dinner, you will not feel hungry for good sleep, and at the same time early in the morning you will freshen up very well. Proceeding towards our bedtime drink, and as usual for bedtime drink we'll have chamomile tea. 1 cup of chamomile tea can help you relieve all the stress of the entire day and promotes very amazing good sleep for the entire night and boosts your metabolism as well. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 4 to 5 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail. And now let's proceed towards our fasting diet plan, which will be under 600 calories for 2 days a week. Proceeding towards our early morning drink, for which we'll have ajwain jeera water. Helps reduce all the water retention of the entire week very easily, and you'll see a great difference in your swelling and bloating as well. Recipes of ajwain and jeera water are here. You can follow it. If you cannot have this drink for your early morning drink, then you can always replace it with lemon water. Warm lemon water, you can have it along with pinch of cinnamon powder and pinch of black pepper powder for boosting our metabolism and to increase the immunity as well. Proceeding towards our breakfast for fasting diet plan, which can be only and only liquids. So we'll have either black tea or black coffee. If you're a coffee or tea lover, no sugar, no milk at all of any type. If you cannot have this, then you can always have lemon water, or again green tea or matcha tea, or you can have ajwain jeera water again. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack, we'll have something which is elixir of water, coconut water, which is freshly available. Please do not use the packaged one. Always use the fresh coconut water available. Along with that, you can have one seasonal fruit, apple, papaya, pineapple, banana, whatever is available to you, you can have that for your mid-morning snack. Proceeding towards our lunch, and as usual for fasting diet plan, before our lunch we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar mixed in 1 glass of lukewarm water helps in insulin sensitivity and does not spike your insulin when you consume your lunch, and at the same time boosts your metabolism as well. For lunch, I'll be giving you 2 options. The first option is you can have grilled veggies, stir-fry grilled veggies. The recipe is here. You can even add some grilled pineapple to this. You can add 70 to 80 grams of paneer as well for this. High in protein and high in fiber as well. This lunch option will not make you feel hungry for at least till your dinner time very easily. High in fiber and great for your detoxification properties, and at the same time reduces your constipation as well. If you're an vegetarian, then you should always consume eggs in your lunch for your fasting days. We'll have 4 egg whites veggie omelette. In this particular omelette, you can add lots and lots of green veggies or seasonal vegetable as well. Mushroom, onion, capsicum, spinach, whatever is available with you, you can add in this 4 egg whites omelette. Make sure to prepare it well and with very little oil. If you cannot have this, then you can always have 4 egg whites as well, along with 1 cup of green tea or stir-fry veggies as well. And now let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack, which can be tea or coffee as per your own preference, but make sure to add no sugar to it at all of any kind. If you cannot have this, then you can always have 1 cup of freshly brewed matcha tea. This will help you with the amazing fat loss, and at the same time detoxification properties are huge with this tea. 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea, so you should always remember to have 1 cup of matcha tea for the entire fasting plan, at least for 2 days a week. Along with that, you can have 30 grams of high protein seed mix as well. High in protein and also will not make you feel fuller of any kind. It is great for sugar cravings as well. It will suppress your sugar cravings and acts as a great snack. Proceeding towards our dinner options, for which I'll be giving you only one option to detoxify your system for the entire night and also to make it a fat cutter machine. Bowl of pineapple or papaya. If you're suffering from constipation, then you should always have pineapple or papaya before going to bed for your dinner. Very important for sugar cravings as well, and also keeps you fuller for the entire night very easily. When detoxification, make sure to at least sleep very light for your bed. Proceeding towards our bedtime drink, which will be 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. If you cannot have this tea, then you can always have ajwain water or jeera water, again great for detoxification, water retention, bloating and any kind of swelling in the body. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 4 to 5 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail. For this 5 to intermittent fasting diet plan for 2 weeks, and you'll be amazed to see the difference in yourself. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelose7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meal recipes or diet plans, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. Follow me on Instagram to stay updated for all the client transformations, what I eat in a day, trends, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.